Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on Solution Connection as a training or sales tool. First, let's log into Solution Connection and click on the search button. We'll go through a few scenarios. The first, let's look at various limits within the products. We'll choose Pro, Premier, Enterprise, QuickBooks Online products, and a point-of-sale product as well. If we scroll down to the categories, there's a limits and there's a requirements and technical category. Let's select those and click submit. As you can see, there are a number of different limits that are listed for each of the products, along with some notes. If we scroll down, we'll see there's also requirements and technical. This can be exported to Excel or a PDF for use at a later time. Let's look at another search. We'll click the new search button. Let's look at download links. If we scroll down to the product download links area and click all products and click submit. As you can see, there are a number of download links that are available. Each of these are clickable and will go right to the website that has these download links. Let's do another query. This time we'll do pricing. Let's say we have a customer that is going to use Pro. They're going to use multi-store of point of sale, and they're going to use point of sale payments and payroll. Let's scroll down. And let's say we want to also look at pricing. Up here under product licensing and notes, I will select those. And we're not sure how many users, but let's say we think it's going to be 2, 3, or 4 users. And we'll click submit. This provides a result showing pricing down here at the bottom for each, along with various information about the licensing for each of the products we selected. We could highlight these various using the Excel tools that are available to us. We could change the heading and put our customer's name on there and reformat as we see appropriate. And we can export to Excel or to PDF. Thank you for listening.